What if I told you you could win $300 just for building something cool? You know, it's National Woodworking Month, and we're running a challenge where you can win up to $300 just by doing what you already love, woodworking. And here's the best part. The first 50 people who enter win $25 instantly. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to enter, how to win, and why you don't want to miss this. So what's the deal? Well, we've created 10 free beginners woodworkers plans. Perfect if you're just getting started or want a simple project to build fast. Everything's laid out for you, exact measurements, materials, and instructions, so you can start building right away. Your mission, pick a plan, build it, and post it on our free school community. Now here's the fun part. You can customize your build however you like. Add a unique twist, change the design, or make it your own to stand out and increase your chances of winning. The more engagement you get, that's likes, comments, and shares, the higher you climb on the leaderboard. And at the end of the month, the top 3 members will win cash prizes. So here's how you enter, 3 simple steps. First, you join our school community. If you're not already there, the link's down there in the description. Pick one of our 10 free woodworking plans. Everything's laid out for you, just like I said, step by step. Build and post your project in the challenge thread, and that's it. You don't have to buy anything, and there's no catch. Just grab your tools, follow a plan, and start building. So how do you win? Well, school has a leaderboard system built into it. So here's where things get interesting. Your goal is to get the most points. If somebody likes your post, you get a point. If you have more than one post, you have more chances for more points. At the end of April, the top 3 woodworkers with the most points will win. The first place winner gets a $300 gift card for our Culinary Tool Store. The second place, a $200 gift card, and the third place, a $100 gift card. And don't forget the added bonus. The first 50 people who post a project win $25 instantly. But once those spots fill up, they're gone, so don't wait. This is really more than a challenge. We're trying to get you involved in our community. See, it's not just about prizes, it's about connecting with other woodworkers, learning new skills, and having fun. We'll be dropping woodworking quizzes, mini challenges, and surprise bonuses throughout the month. So get involved, share tips, ask questions, and be part of a community that gets as excited about woodworking as you do. So don't miss out. Join now. This challenge is happening right now, and the first 50 people to post win $25 instantly. So don't wait. Click the link below, grab your free plans, and start building.